Nigga has a just stain. Nigga has a just stain.
That's the first thing that he fucking. Oh my god.
He swears it's not a just stain, but it's a just stain. Bro, you know it's a just stain. Relax. It's all good, bro. Me and Misa are on the way to Home Depot. Nigga, shut up, bro. You know it's a just stain. I'm gonna be doing the wooden trunk setup, boys. And I gotta clean it because I have a bunch of bullshit in here. Nigga, you know it's a just stain.
It's not a fucking just stain, nigga. It's fucking paint.
It's fucking paint. You know it's a diz, bro. There should be enough room. I'm gonna put the seats down. Hopefully the fucking wood fits. If it don't fit, Misa, you're just gonna have to walk home with it. And I'll meet you here. No?
This nigga thinks he's hella funny.
That's pretty funny, actually.
I was about to put my seatbelt on, but I already fucking have it on, nigga. That's how mad you make me.
Oh my god, let's get this nigga.
Make my ass itch.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we built stuff. The same wood, the same wood. I don't remember which wood I got though. Or you think I should get a different one?
Different.
Different? Why? It needs to be big enough. Like one of these. I think this is the one I got last time.
Is it? No, that was good.
Oh no, this is hella big. No, I think I did get this one, bro. But no, that's it, fool. That's not gonna fit in the car, bro. You actually down and walk with it home?
No, what the fuck? What?
I'll drive home and you walk.
Oh.
You pick, bro. Whichever one you pick, I'll do. I don't even care. Just make sure it's a good one. If the trunk comes out bad, blame it on Misa, bro. I'm gonna let him pick the stain color. I'm gonna say fuck it. We talking about like a dark one like this or what? Or like this?
No,
or
this is too dark. It almost looks nasty. You feel me? Like more like a reddish one like this, maybe. Or maybe I was thinking like this.
I think this is the one I had before.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the one I had before. I don't know, bro. You pick, bro. Whichever one. Fuck it.
Oh, black cherry right here. This one.
This one? You want me to do this one? I'm gonna cut the video. Never mind. I'm gonna pick. But I'll probably have this one for a little bit. I was thinking of doing it a little darker though, actually. Nah, fuck it, Misa. You already picked. Let's go. No hesitations. Your first pick is the pick. Bend at your knees, boys. Ah! You don't want to hurt your back.
This nigga's hella gay.
You're the one recording me, bro. What the fuck? Why are you recording me?
Wait, this nigga set me up. Hold on.
Boys, we got some water, and this fool swears he makes no face, so we're gonna see. And I don't even be doing this, so I know I'm not gonna make a face. Go. Wait, the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole
at the same
thing,
time?
yeah.
No, but I kind of want to see your face though.
No, at the same time, nigga.
Oh shit.
No,
why you
one
so
by one.
close to me, bro?
Yeah.
One by one, one by one.
Yeah, one by one, because I want to see the
At the
face.
same exact time.
You're gonna see his face
Got
right
some
here?
water?
Yeah, we'll see. You'll see it on the video.
Oh my god. At the same time then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the whole thing. I don't want you. None of that shit, nigga. None of that
Alright,
shit.
go, go,
alright?
go, 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 go,
Ready?
go. Wait. Salud.
Let's get this nigga. Let's get him. Let's get him.
Pa arriba,
Oh,
pa
shit.
abajo, pa centro, pa adentro. Yes, sir. Niggas, I love fucking nacho.
Ah, for a second there, I wasn't even gonna react.
The nigga said.
But then I felt him.
Go bring it. I'm gonna bring it.
I wanna sleep.
God, what is this, melatonin, nigga? or What?
Bro.
Don't fuck it up.
Why you bullying me?
Oh! What the fuck, bro? Where, over here? Over here?
Look. This is where
It's because the man, I wear a hat too. It's because I wear a hat, nigga. It's because I wear a hat.
It's like you use makeup, my nigga.
Oh my god, bro. Leave me alone, bro. It's the sun, bro. The sun's fucking with my style, bro.
I didn't realize it before until now.
Here, you try. Look, he can't even catch it. First one to drop it gets knocked. Bro, you're so dumb, bro. One hand. Go, pass it to me. Ah, easy. How you gonna tell me, bro? All right, boys, I think I'm done sanding. I don't know if I'm fully done, but this is what it looks like before the stain. I'm gonna test fit it, of course. Pretty much fits, but I was trying to do the other side, bro. This side has all the knots, but fuck it, bro. Because look, this thing was over here. I was like, wait, what the fuck? So I had to flip it over because the other side's like smooth and it doesn't have all the knots, but fuck it, we're gonna have to go with the knots. That doesn't look too bad. It adds a little bit of character, but it's pretty much good. I might just sand a little bit more from the back just so it fits better, the back and the front. And then I'm gonna smooth out all the edges. And then it should be, and I'm gonna smooth the front too. And then I just need stain. And it should be good after that, but hopefully the color Misa picked is good because we're gonna have to beat that fool if no. All right, boys, I'm pretty much done sanding it. I just gotta round out the edges, sand it a little bit more, put the stain on it, and I'll be done. It looks way better. I'll show you guys tomorrow though, cause bro, no shit, it's kind of dark, you feel me? What's going on, boys? Just got out of work. The trunk, I tried it on. Well, I didn't try it on myself, you know, no, but I tried it on, like I put it on the trunk. It came out pretty cool. Misa picked a cool color, I'm not gonna lie. I'll show you guys right now when I get home. The only reason I didn't show you guys yesterday, well I did, but I probably won't use those clips because oh my god, bro. The paint was still a little bit wet, so I was like, or the stain. So I was like, I'll give it another day to dry. So it should be ready today, hopefully I get there before the sun goes down because I get out at 4:30, so I have a little bit of time. But I'll show you guys. I'll show Misa too because he's been bugging me. Oh my god, he's like, I heard you're gonna show me the trunk. He just look, boys, he just wants to see because he's gonna be like, I told you that color was gonna go crazy. Didn't I tell you that color was gonna go crazy? He's gonna say some shit like that, definitely. But I'm almost home right now. I'll show you guys when I get there. Love the reflection, boy. Can you see it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Look. It's pretty black,
Fuck,
huh?
it came out kind of dark.
It still looks good though.
Yeah, it still looks kind of cool. I kind of like
Here,
it.
let me put it down. Once you see it in the car, you'll probably be like,
I feel like if you clear coat it or do something in it to like make it shine. Yeah, you can.
actually,
Yeah, you can. To make it shine, it would look cool.
I just have to, I think I have to like,
It's kind of cool actually.
I have to like wet
I
sand.
kind of like it.
Okay, let's go sit in the
I
car.
kind of like that, nigga.
No, it looks good in the car, bro, for real.
Does it?
Yeah.
You saw it already?
Well, yeah, but it was still a little bit wet still. I just wanted to see it though.
You got excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go see it. It looks cool though.
We'll see you guys at the car.
Oh, dude, this Rod Wave song, fucking, How Would You Feel? That one goes off. I don't know if you heard it, but
I probably did, but I don't know my name.
it's like I don't know, but it just goes retarded. Right now, I'm just in my feelings. So, for sure, that song goes crazy. Close your eyes.
Yo.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at my ass.
Sips. I think kind of thick. Like, wait though. Hold up. Hold up.
I know I do.
No case. No cameras, bro. No cameras.
Hold on. I forgot how I did this last time.
That shit look kind of hard.
This shit go
Nigga.
down. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Ooh.
Nigga, I like that.
That shit goes crazy.
I
huh?
like that, nigga.
Cause then imagine the tank
is gonna pop on hella,
And then I
nigga.
think I'm gonna get like, you see how these things right here? I'm gonna get a bar, like a chassis mount.
Uh-huh.
So it's like a sway bar, like in the engine, how I had it.
Right.
It's gonna go across from here to here. It's gonna be carbon fiber. I'm thinking about it.
I feel like that's just gonna make it pop so much right there.
And then the fucking tank, the compressors. It's gonna look pretty cool,
Yo,
huh?
I like it.
It looks cool though, huh?
This nigga needs a wash too. Nah, hell yeah. I like it. I hella like it. I think I chose a good color.
It looks cool though, huh?
I hope you can see it in the camera.
Yeah, I don't know how good because it's not in the sun. Let's go to the sunlight real quick.
Dark. Yeah, let's go somewhere.
And look,
Oh, that shit looks so good. I don't know why, but it like, it's just good. Cause it's like blue and then just like red. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping.
You know what I'll do? I'm like, oh, let's check out my. Oh, you want to see my trunk setup?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have
Let's get this food.
Look. I'm gonna have a flower, her favorite chips.
Oh my god.
A sloth, I think, and like some other little shit. I'm like, oh, let's check out the trunk setup. And then, yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Because she's not gonna expect it. She'll be like, oh my god. Hopefully, watch her be like, that shit's stupid.
Nah. I don't think so.
We'll see how that goes too.
That shit looks so wet. I feel like.
I'm at work right now. Boys, y'all gotta come help me fight this nigga Misa, bruh. Every time he sits here, he leaves some white. I don't know if his ass has cum or some shit, but this fool definitely needs to get beat up. But I'm gonna show you guys the trunk in the daylight. I gotta do it during break because then by the time I get off, it's already dark, so. Check it out though. I don't even know how good you can see it, but that's pretty much what it looks like, boys. Let me know what you guys think. It honestly came out pretty nice. Misa picked a nice color, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there we go. That's a good pick right there. Yes, sir. I'll probably show you guys again, like in the next video or something. Well, maybe when it's... No, it's because it's pretty clean right now, but I'll show you guys next vid for sure. Hey, guys. Appreciate 400 subs, boys. That's what's up. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate who watches, likes, comments, everything. Thanks for fucking with the boys. But I mean, we're just gonna keep going with it, you know. It's cool. So we'll see you guys on the next video.